Uh, Hi Zach, this is Arikotla Vijay Santosh Kumar. I received your email. That means like I received your message, and I downloaded the project Sendester on my my computer, personal computer. I worked a lot on my desktop, but I couldn't run it on my desktop because I don't want to run it because Python and Django were not installed on my desktop, and some other projects were running on my desktop and on my laptop, and some other important projects were running on my laptop. So I uh, just took another PC to run this project alone. So that is why that means there's a delay in running this project. And as you can see, this is on my as you can see this is on Visual Studio, and here it is your project, and I downloaded it on my computer, and I just installed the Python. You can see it on it. So okay, so so this is giving me like okay. So let me show it to you once again. Okay. Okay, so I'm firing up the terminal. Okay, so Python. This is I open up the terminal, so you can see like 3.1.2.4 is a Python version that's installed by me on this computer. So I'm going to put exit. It's just showing everything's fine, and now I'm going to show you like if install Django, basically Python, Django, and AI blockchain developer. So Django is installed. So I wanted to create an environment on my computer so that this there will be a virtual environment, and my PC won't crash. So it's not letting me do that. So I'm going to show you. So I don't know that like. So now I'm going to grab this. I'll take it from here. Okay, so let me show you. API Sun. So only I was like I'll show like so it's so virtual environment is not loading on my computer. Virtual environment isn't being created on my computer. So let's see the virtual environment is not creating. So it's like okay, virtual environment is not creating, and virtual environment is not being created, or the file which related to virtual environment is not being created. So this is running directly from my PC, from my desktop, and I try to run our server. So I'm trying to run the Django server from here. Okay, run server. Okay, alright, so this is giving me an error in here. So Django Heroku, it's not running. I tried to run Heroku, but I couldn't find the settings file on this one. So if you have any insights about this one, so that I can fix this and write the APIs, because without the server running on my computer and without URLs, I couldn't do the API, HTTP API request, or I cannot create the API for this one. So this is what's happening. So